Imagine working hard every day, saving every penny, yet still feeling like you're barely getting by. It's a frustrating reality for many people. The truth is, there are hidden forces in the system that keep us from building real wealth. These forces are wrapped up in common money myths that many of us believe. But these myths are not just harmless misunderstandings, they are traps that keep us stuck in a cycle of financial struggle. In this video, we will uncover some of the biggest money myths that hold you back and show you how to break free from them. By understanding the truth behind these myths, you can start making smarter financial choices and finally take control of your financial future. Let's dive in and debunk these myths together. Myth 1. You can save your way to wealth. Meet Sarah. She's always been good with money, saving a portion of her paycheck every month. Despite her disciplined savings, she's frustrated because her wealth isn't growing as she hoped. Sarah's story is common. Many people believe that saving alone will make them rich, but this is a myth that can hold you back. The problem with relying solely on savings is that the money you save loses value over time due to inflation. Inflation means that the cost of goods and services goes up, so the money you saved last year buys less today. Even if you have a high-interest savings account, the interest earned often doesn't keep up with inflation rates. Experts say that while saving is important, it's not enough on its own. To truly build wealth, you need to invest your money. Investing allows your money to grow faster than it would in a savings account. Stocks, real estate, and bonds are common investment options that can offer higher returns over time. Saving is a good habit, but it's not the only step towards wealth. To break free from this myth, start learning about investing and consider putting some of your money into assets that can grow over time. Myth 2. Debt is always bad. Let's talk about debt. Many people believe that all debt is bad and should be avoided at all costs. This belief can actually hold you back financially. Not all debt is created equal. There's good debt and bad debt. Good debt is used to buy things that can increase in value over time, like student loans for education or a mortgage for a house. Education can lead to higher paying jobs, and real estate can appreciate in value. Bad debt, on the other hand, is money borrowed to buy things that lose value quickly, like high-interest credit card debt used for everyday expenses. Experts say that when managed wisely, good debt can be a tool for building wealth. For example, taking out a student loan to gain skills for a better job can pay off in the long run. Similarly, a mortgage allows you to own a home, which can grow in value over time, building your equity. While it's important to be cautious with debt, understanding the difference between good and bad debt is key. Use debt strategically to invest in your future, and it can become a powerful tool for building wealth. Myth 3. More income means more wealth. Imagine John, a high earner with a six-figure salary. You might think he's wealthy, but John struggles with money. Why? Because more income doesn't always mean more wealth. This is a common myth that can lead to financial trouble. The problem is lifestyle inflation. As people earn more, they often spend more. John upgraded his car, moved into a bigger house, and started dining at expensive restaurants. While his income increased, so did his expenses. He wasn't saving or investing more, just spending more. This left him with little to show for his high salary. Experts say that true wealth isn't about how much you earn, but how much you keep and grow. Financially successful people focus on managing their money wisely, regardless of their income level. They budget carefully, control their expenses, and invest in their future. A high income can provide opportunities, but it doesn't guarantee wealth. To build real wealth, it's crucial to manage your money wisely, avoid unnecessary expenses, and invest in your future. Myth 4. Homeownership is always the best investment. Many people think owning a home is a guaranteed way to build wealth, but this isn't always true. Houses can be expensive to maintain, and their value doesn't always increase. Sometimes, it can even decrease, leaving homeowners with less equity than they hoped. Experts point out that homeownership comes with hidden costs. Besides mortgage payments, there are maintenance, insurance, and property taxes. These expenses can add up, making it harder to save and invest in other opportunities. Renting, on the other hand, can sometimes be more cost-effective. Renters avoid many of the expenses homeowners face and can often save and invest more money. Additionally, renting offers flexibility. If job opportunities or personal situations change, renters can move more easily than homeowners, who might be stuck trying to sell their property in a tough market. While owning a home can be a good investment for some, it's not the best choice for everyone. It's important to consider all costs and alternatives. Sometimes, renting and investing your savings elsewhere can be a smarter financial move. Myth 5. The stock market is too risky. Meet Lisa, who was always scared of the stock market. She believed it was too risky and avoided it completely. Instead, she kept her money in a low-interest savings account. Over time, she saw her friends who invested in the stock market grow their wealth, while her savings barely grew. Many people think the stock market is too risky because they hear stories of people losing money. While it's true that investing in stocks comes with risks, it's also one of the best ways to build wealth over time. The key is to understand and manage the risks, not avoid them completely. Experts say that the stock market can be risky in the short term, but over the long term, it has historically provided higher returns than savings accounts or bonds. The trick is to invest wisely and stay invested for the long haul. Diversifying your investments, which means spreading your money across different stocks and sectors, can help reduce risk. Moreover, tools like dollar-cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount regularly regardless of the market conditions, can help mitigate the impact of market volatility. In conclusion, while the stock market does have risks, they can be managed with the right strategies. By learning about investing and thinking long-term, you can overcome the myth that the stock market is too risky and use it to grow your wealth. Myth 6. You must work hard to be rich. While working hard is important, it's not the only factor in building wealth. Many people work hard but still struggle financially because they don't work smart. Working smart means making strategic decisions about how you use your time and money. Experts explain that building wealth often involves creating multiple income streams, not just relying on a single job. This can include investing in stocks, starting a side business, or generating passive income through rental properties or dividends. Additionally, financial education plays a crucial role. Understanding how money works, budgeting effectively, and making informed investment choices can significantly impact your financial future. Hard work is valuable, but it's not enough on its own to make you rich. Combining hard work with smart financial strategies, diversifying income sources, and continuously educating yourself about money can help you break free from this myth and build real wealth. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.